Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a land filled with giant candy canes and marshmallow clouds, lived a group of tiny gummy bears. Today was a very special day. The Gummy Bake-Off. A little blue gummy bear named Bubbles bounced with excitement. He had big round eyes and a tiny pink candy on his head. Next to him, Sunny, an orange gummy bear with pointy ears and a cheerful smile, wiggled his little arms. The baking arena was a giant pink cupcake. Inside, tiny ovens made from shiny bottle caps sat on tables made of cookies. The gummy bear contestants scurried around, their little hands busy. Bubbles carefully mixed rainbow sprinkles in a dewdrop bowl. He used a whisk made from the fluffy bristle of an old toothbrush. He was making sprinkle cookies. Sunny hummed a happy tune as he stirred melted chocolate in a tiny seashell. He was preparing to make chocolate-covered gummy worms. He carefully dipped the little gummy worms into the smooth, dark chocolate. Other gummy bears were busy too. A green gummy bear was frosting a tiny cake with pink icing, and a yellow gummy bear was arranging jelly beans on a tart. The air smelled sweet and sugary. Soon it was time for the judging. A wise old gummy bear with a long white beard and a tall chef hat tasted each treat carefully. He smiled at all the bakers. "All of your baked goods are wonderful," he announced. "It's so hard to choose a winner." Then he had a clever idea. "Why don't we all share our delicious treats?" The gummy bears cheered. They happily shared their cookies, worms, cakes, and tarts. Everyone got to taste everything, and it was the best bake-off ever. Sharing makes everything sweeter. When we share with our friends, everyone gets to enjoy the fun and yummy things.
Please subscribe. Thank you.